Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ako po si Madam P at ito yung reading natin for Water Sign. Take only what resonates, guys. By the way, maingay sa background ko. Actually, andyan lang sa katabi namin yung nagkakaraoke. I don't know kung naririnig mo yung sounds, pero kung marinig mo man, ayan, malakas talaga eh. Ay pagpasensyahan nyo na. No? I'll try my best na lakasan yung boses ko. Gumamit ako nitong condenser mic para hindi siya masyadong rinig, di ba? And anyway, if you don't like the way I read, pwede kang mag-next video. Kung hindi mo nakuha yung reading, hindi ka nakaka-relate, maaaring ang reading na ito ay hindi para sa iyo, ibigay mo sa iba. Okay? Normal yun. Hindi naman to private reading. If you want to book a private reading, personal reading, doon sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Please do follow na rin ako doon. Ayan. Meron akong mga sinishare doon na videos, etc. You might want to check it out. And also sa aming TikTok. Ayan. Unipree. Yan yung aming TikTok shop. Pwede ka makabili dyan ng mga products namin. And then, Madam Unicorn P. Yan yung aming Instagram. Let's start what we have here for the sign of water sign. You do have the Chariot, the Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Yung iba sa inyo, there's some kind of wishy-washy energy na kukuha ko sa'yo. Maybe regarding, anong tawag dito? Career or regarding business, pwedeng nagdadalawang isip ka pa or nandun yung maybe may mga dahilan kung bakit hindi mo ma-push yung bagay na gusto mong i-push or gawin, especially nga related sa bagay na yun. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa business or career or money, you know what I mean. The Nine of Pentacles, you are already in a place or in a position wherein meron ka ng mga maipagmamalaki. Pwedeng may mga goals ka nang na-achieve sa buhay. You are already successful. Yung iba, with the death card, bumagsak ka din eh. Hindi mo naman masasabing na-achieve mo yung mga bagay na yun. Ang ganun-ganun na lang. Dumating din sa point ng buhay mo na, wait lang guys. Ayan, so inayos ko lang ng konti yung microphone. Anyway, ayun, dumating din sa point ng buhay mo na parang, bumagsak ka, pero natutunan mo or nagawan mo ng paraan na mayangat ulit ang sarili mo. And you are someone na very proud of that and you have a lot of you have all the reasons to do that. Kumbaga, okay lang yun eh. Actually, okay lang yun. Hindi ko naman sinasabi nagyayabang ka or what. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo dyan, alam mo yun sa sarili mo, part of you is may pagkayabang din naman. But anyway, it's fine. Why? Kasi, meron ka namang ipagyayabang eh. Hindi ko naman sinabing mayabang na mayabang. Iba sa inyo, as simple as posting things that is happening to you maybe sa Facebook, you're sharing, ang dami kong achievements or rewards or customers or what, if you have a business whatsoever, it's fine. Why? Hindi mo naman intention na mag-inggit. It's just that maybe your intention is to be an inspiration. Maybe yung intention mo is to make other think na parang kung ikaw nga nagawa mo, why not them? Parang ganun. Be an inspiration to them. Wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. Ayan. So anyway, punta natin yung person na kakonect mo. Ano yung main energy niya? Wait lang guys. Okay, I'm back. Pagpasensya mo na lang. Maingay kasi yung sa background eh. Kaya tinatry ko ilapit sa kanya yung microphone para mas hindi niya makuha yung or hindi niya mahagip yung ingay dun sa kabila. Okay? So anyway, the person that you're dealing with, main energy naman ng person na ito pagdating sa love. For water sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. You do have the strength card, Leo energy. And 8 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, isa pa. Okay. Ayan. And the 5 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is the 5 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person with the strength card, nakikita natin, this is the person na parang gusto mong or gugustuhin mong makasama or maybe my best friend kind of energy dito sa person na ito. Eight of Pentacles, maybe a hardworking person. Tsaka palaban, itong person na to. Meron tayo nakikita ditong galit. And I don't know why. Clarify natin. The Hierophant and the Devil, well, it has nothing to do with you. Yung galit ay could be someone, lumalabas sa third party situation, Three of Swords, at the bottom of the deck. Tapos, with the Hierophant, pwedeng ito yung karma niya, maybe karmic relationship, karmic person, karmic connection. With the Devil energy, Capricorn energy. So, nakikita natin yung person na pwedeng ka-connect nitong person na ito na nagagalit siya doon. Nandun yung parang this person is manipulating me, telling me what to do and stuff. And ayaw ng person mo na gano'n na para siyang hinahadlangan or para siyang kinukulong. And andun yung parang possessive energy ng other person na nagiging dahilan para magalit siya. Well, itong person na ito is may pag-aaway na nagaganap sa kanila because minsan hindi na okay yung parang rason for the other person na magalit or what. Parang nagkakaroon ng pag-aaway sa kanila because of I don't know, demanding or kakaibang ugali nung other person nakakonect niya. So that's weird. 'Di ba? Parang out of nowhere, bigla na lang nagagalit yung other person na nagiging dahilan dito sa person na to na magalit din pabalik dun sa person na yan. So anyway, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa? You do have here the King of Pentacles, the Sun. I can see happiness pagdating sa part mo, and the Star regarding sa mga bagay na na-achieve mo na at ma-achieve mo pa. The Hangman, part of you or some of you, hindi lahat, hindi ko lalahatin. You could still be waiting for this person. Pwedeng hinihintay mo pa rin siya. And the Four of Cups, kaya lang parang hindi ka na kasi sigurado if may hinihintay ka pa, kung may dadating pa ba sa buhay mo or dadating pa ba siya sa buhay mo. Basta ang concentration mo dito is the King of Pentacles as long na ikaw ay nandun sa level or sa place kung saan gusto mong mapunta, which is may kinalaman sa career, okay ka na dun. You are brightly shining with the sun. Nakikita natin you are happy with regards sa naaabot mo, status mo, or pagtingin sa'yo ng ibang tao, you are really shining. And the Star, a lot of accomplishment, a lot of achievements. So, ano yung emotion ng person na to towards you, spirit guides, angel guides for water sign? Okay. For water sign, Nine of Cups is here. A lot of people, hindi lang siya nag-a-admire sa'yo. Ang dami nakakagusto sa'yo with the Three of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Okay. And the Five of Swords, medyo, kasi ang dami mo ng transformation na nangyari sa buhay mo. Maaring noon, hindi ka ganun kagustuhin or merong in the past, you could be this person na parang maraming insecurities and nakikita natin. And the more na hindi mo minamahal yung sarili mo, the more na na-insecure ka sa sarili mo, the more na hindi ka nagugustuhan din ng ibang tao. Kasi ganun lang yun eh. Parang mirror lang yan. Kung ano yung pagtingin mo sa sarili mo, ganun din yung nagiging pagtingin sa'yo ng ibang tao. So, the more you like yourself, the more you are admiring yourself, the more na gusto mo yung sarili mo, etong mga tao sa paligid mo or itong other people na na-admire din nila or unti-unti nilang nakikita yung mga bagay na nakikita mo na rin sa sarili mo. So, actually, that's what I always say, love yourself. Love yourself. Kasi kung gusto mo talaga ng love, wag mo yun hanapin sa ibang tao. Wag mo hanapin yung taong magmahal sa'yo, na magtatanggap sa'yo. Una mo muna dapat hanapin yan sa sarili mo. Dapat mahal mo ang sarili mo. Okay? And the Eight of Cups is here and the Wheel, this is big change with regards dito sa person na to, sa paniniwala niya and at the same time, sa pagtingin niya dito sa paligid niya. Like what I've told you, pwedeng meron siyang other connection or isa pang ka-connect, maybe a third connection, third party situation na parang nabago na yung pagtingin niya dito sa person na to pagdating sa future. And this person is feeling stuck right now pagdating sa relationship or sa connection na yon. Tapos, with the Eight of Wands, parang wala siyang choice. Maybe because of family-related stuff. Pwedeng yung pamilya niya or siya mismo is kailangan i-work out yung connection or relationship nila because of, sabi kasi ni mommy or ni mama or what. Parang ganun, may mga nagsasabi sa kanila na i-try, i-work out or ayusin ang relationship. So, pwedeng may mga advices from other people, especially sa family nila regarding sa relationship nila. Na I feel like pwedeng may marriage na involved dito para dun sa iba. So, anyway, ano yung in the near future for you, for the both of you? Okay, in the near future, you do have the Hierophant, the High Priestess pala. You are a very spiritual person, nadadagdagan pa yan. Lumilevel up ka pa. Yung iba sa inyo, the more you tuned in sa iyong spirit guides, sa iyong spiritual na kakayahan, the more na na-achieve mo or nakukuha mo yung, yung level up na ito, growth sa buhay mo. And yung iba sa inyo, ginagamit mo na tong tarot reading as your guide. So, I'm very thankful na napili mo ko, of course, as your living guide. And that's what I can see here. Na parang, kinoconnect mo yung sarili mo sa universe, sa iyong spirit guides, and nakakatulong naman ito sa'yo. Especially pag sa pag-handle ng iyong mga decision with the Two of Swords. So, meron kang sisimulan dito in the near future na magbibigay din ng success sa'yo. Wow, 9 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Okay? Ang dami dito nakikita natin success cards for you. Ituloy-tuloy mo lang. So, pagdating sa person na kakonect mo in the near future, you do over the 7 of Cups, the Fool. Ayan, Major Arcana, the Fool. The 2 of Wands is here. Nakita tayo ng pagpaplano mula dito sa person na to na may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. And, yeah, may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. Kasi, pwedeng gusto niya na rin kumawala. I mean, I can still see yung 9 of Wands, 8 of Wands, the 3 of Swords, and the 8 of Swords. Gusto na niya rin kumawala dito. So anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.